Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials: a working email and basic ID, plus a device with camera and mic. Once ready, open the Webex app or desktop client and choose Sign Up. Enter your email when prompted and follow the verification step. Check your inbox and confirm the code. Make sure to accept any permissions for camera and microphone so meetings will work. This first sequence gets your account provisioned and lets you personalize name and password before joining or scheduling meetings. Once you verify your email and set a secure password, complete your profile details like display name and time zone so invites show correctly. Next, connect your calendar. This automates meeting invites and syncing. In Settings, configure default audio and video devices and run a quick test call to confirm clarity. Make sure to toggle notifications and meeting join options to your preference. These steps ensure your meetings start smoothly and that invitations contain correct timing and join links. Finally, schedule your meeting by giving it a title, choosing date and time, and inviting participants. Add a password if desired for extra security. Once scheduled, share the invite or copy the join details and test joining from another device to confirm the link works. During meetings, use mute/unmute and participant controls as needed. If something goes wrong, first check your network and app permissions, then restart the app or rejoin. That usually resolves common audio or join failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.